Welcome to Professor's Garage. Today we're working on a 2021 Honda Odyssey, my friend's family vehicle. It's versatile, reliable, and perfect for the many needs of their growing family. It comes with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, which makes road trips easier by keeping you focused on the road and not your phone. But there is a small catch. It's wired. You have to plug your phone into the USB port to use it, which isn't a big deal until the connection loosens or someone in the back needs to access the phone. That's when wireless CarPlay or Android Auto becomes a game changer. Let's make that a reality today. My friends are ready for this upgrade. We'll be using this tiny gadget from Binize or Binize, and we'll find out just how simple it is to turn the factory wire CarPlay into a wireless one. This little AI box is compact with a USB-C port. You just plug one end of the USB cable into the box and the other into the vehicle's factory USB or USB-C port for the CarPlay module. The product comes with two cables, USB-A and USB-C, to accommodate different vehicles. With the car turned on, either with the engine running or just in accessory mode, you will follow instructions on the infotainment screen to complete the initial setup. Alright, the box is connected. Let's start with Android Auto. First, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on for your Android phone. Then pair it with the device named Binize COM 1495. Once paired, give permission for accessory access. And in just a few seconds, Google Maps and Android Auto will pop up on the screen wirelessly. Everything works just as it would with the cable, but now no more fumbling with the cords, and the connection remains stable. Now, let's give wireless CarPlay a spin. Again, connect your iPhone's Bluetooth to Binize COM 1495. Allow pairing and give access to CarPlay. Within moments, you are wirelessly connected and ready to go. No delays, no cables, just instant access to your apps. To the Peace Valley Park. Once you have gone through the setup, your phone will automatically connect to wireless CarPlay or Android Auto whenever you are in a vehicle or your phone is in the vehicle. After a week of use, my friend reports that everything's been smooth and reliable. As you see, this little AI box is compact and super easy to install. It's been working flawlessly so far, and for a relatively low price, it's a solid upgrade. Just a heads up though, this unit only supports factory-installed wire CarPlay systems, not aftermarket ones. Also, it's not compatible with a few car brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Mazda. So if you drive something else, it should work, but I recommend double-checking with the seller just to be sure. Here at Professor's Garage, we provide independent reviews and honest recommendations based on real-world testing. I will include the product link in the description along with a 10% discount for viewers of this channel. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you found value, give us a like, subscribe to Professor's Garage, and feel free to leave a comment or question below. I will do my best to respond to every question on this channel. If Professor can do it, you can do it too. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。